Hey everyone, so I'm going to introduce you to my day, the sort of schedule that I follow almost every day. If it's not my period, then yeah. So it's like waking up, feeding kuchu kuchu, their favorite thing, paneer, and then going out for some part of time for my body and for my mind. So yeah, you just have to stay in the place patiently and watch the video till the end, and let's see how it goes. Watch these cuties. So it's the time for the workout. It is probably 6:30 in the morning, and I'm getting ready for the workout, plugging in my headphones and wearing my shoes and all, getting ready for working out. I don't feel right without the complete gym wala look, and I don't feel motivated to work out. So yeah, adding on to a very great, the playlists that I make for myself. These plants and the mornings, they're just, mornings are the best part. I just can't miss them until and unless there is a certain, very strong reason for me not to get up from the bed. I just can't miss them. And working out has been a mandatory thing for me since I was in class 12th. After class 12th, I dropped a year, and I just found out myself to be, very lazy and sloth-like structure. So I just started working out back then. And till the day, I've been doing it almost every day with consistency, I guess. Sometimes not, but most of the times, yeah. So it's my leg day and I'm going through some pains. You can't see it all, but yeah, leg and core, these are my favorite. Like, I can't skip them. But body parts like shoulders are my weakest. So right after my workout, I sit down on my mat and I just give these few minutes to my mind to heal from all of the things that I'm going through. Not really too much, but yeah, a bit for me. And it's my healing time. It helps a lot, like a lot. So right after meditation and working out, I am just ready for my favorite part of the day. It's obviously sattu. I just love it. दूध और सत्तू, यार क्या कॉम्बिनेशन होता है. मतलब मैं ना बहुत ऑब्सेस्ड हूँ इसके साथ. No compromises. I can skip my meal or anything, but not this. Mix. Washing my dishes on my own. So good morning everyone. Now I finally got the energy to speak, and welcome to the day. So this day is going to be an insight in my life, in a life of an aspiring artist. Let's see how it goes. Right now I'm folding clothes and then I'll be mopping the house. झाड़ू पोछा, घर की बड़ी बेटी को लेकर फर्ज निभाऊंगी मैं, और फिर देखते हैं क्या होता है. So now meet Kuchu Puchu. I just took a bath, feeling quite fresh and all set to start the painting. अब सबसे पहले यार पैलेट साफ़ करना पड़ता है. पता है, ऑयल पेंट स्पेशली ऐसे चिपकता है ना पैलेट पे, और उसे आप पानी से धो भी नहीं सकते कमाल, बिकॉज इट्स ऑयल, इट्स कॉमन सेंस ब्रो. और फिर यू जस्ट स्टार्ट पेंटिंग टू गेट दैट फ्रेश transparent glass palette. Oh my god, it just takes my heart away every time I see it. फिर खैर you just start painting. I just got this custom work a few days ago, and this girl wants to gift her best friend this pretty little gift. So I got the opportunity to paint for her, and I'm quite grateful for people like her who just who choose me to make someone else's day special because of my painting. I would like to give a big thanks to all of the people who have trusted me and my arts. So yeah. Then after painting, I would like to take a little break, a water break maybe. हाँ तो इतना सारा पानी पी लेती हूँ, I just feel like a queen. Where's my crown? So yeah, after this yum water, kitchen में झक मारना is a must. Lunch time में और कटहल की सब्ज़ी, it's one of my favorite. I just can't stop myself from tasting it directly from कढ़ाई. यार और कौन करता है ऐसा? मतलब cheers to all of the people जो ऐसे खाना डायरेक्ट कढ़ाई और कुकर में से टेस्ट कर लेते हैं. Oh my god, that's a talent. Well, meet बुलबुल. इसको मेरी वीडियो में आना नहीं था although, but still. चलो कोई ना. Let's start painting again. Have a closer look. Wow, what a cinematic shot. खैर हाँ तो पेंटिंग वापस चालू करते हैं. It's like काफ़ी टाइम पास उसके बाद पेंटिंग पे वापस आना ही होता है एट लास्ट. यार मैं बताना चाहती हूँ तुम लोगों को जो लोग नहीं जानते हैं मुझे. इट वॉज़ माई वेरी सैड स्टोरी बिफोर आई स्टार्टेड पेंटिंग, लाइक painting for other people and getting paid as well. It's been a different journey for me and at very unexpected time. I never expected it to be on this young age. मतलब ऐसा तो मैंने सोचा था I'll be a big artist, bragging. पर फिर भी ऐसा मतलब इस टाइम पे ऐसे अचानक से in the middle of the lockdown when the world is going through a lot, I started blooming अचानक से because of all the people who love my art. And a big shout out to everybody who has ordered something or the other for me or who haven't even, but they appreciate my art, they love it and they share it with others. Yeah, so I just love you guys, and apart from them I am quite lucky to be a part of your life as well. You guys, I'm just so overwhelmed right now. Okay, meet Kuchu Puchu again. आम खा रही हैं, summer's in a mango season. Well, yeah, so getting back to the painting, it's been a long time since I have created something for myself because I'm not really getting the time to get finished with all of the orders and start something else for you guys, like something very aesthetic. I know this is all very aesthetic as well, but something that fills my soul. I have so many themes and ideas prepared in my mind and I'm not just getting the time to do it, but I promise you all I'm just coming up with a very nice something very different sort of painting very soon. Well, taking a sham wala break, it's a must. छत पे जाना यार, I just can't miss the sunset as well. So yeah, छत पे जाओ, थोड़ा टहलो यार, ज़रूरी है. थोड़ा सा रूम से बाहर निकलो, at least get out of your air conditioned rooms at least, and have a conversation with the people around. Just like me and Bulbul, we're not having a conversation right now, but ठीक है, you guys have a conversation with the people you love. I don't love her though. I don't love you, Bulbul. So the sun and अचानक से me. So getting back to the painting after this break, and I'm hopefully going to finish this painting today. Let's see hota hai ya nahi. So the best part of the painting is background banana. Yaar, whenever I get this order for like customizing a background for them, I just love it. It's the most interesting part of the painting. I get to paint something that is for that person specifically, something that describes her or him, like for his or her birthday or some other occasion. And I feel like so proud that you guys are choosing me again and again I get the opportunity to paint for somebody, it's like your response has been overwhelming, and I'm just so grateful for all of you. I would like to meet all of you in person someday, you know, the people who have supported me. मैं यार पिज़्ज़ा खाओगे? पिज़्ज़ा मैं खिलाऊंगी, खा लेना यार. I'm not a pizza fan though. I like street food more actually. Hello everyone. So I finally completed my custom work on time, and it's like a very rare day. I am a big procrastinator, although I'm working on it. Let's see. So it's almost 9:50 at night, and I'm feeling like I've had a very productive day. I wish every day went like this, but it's okay. It's okay to have breaks in between, but not like me. Well, so this was all about my day. It's like just a casual day in my life. Nothing special happens. I mean, it's already so special. I'm doing what I love with everybody's permission and acceptance. So, yeah, I'm very grateful for all of you who supported me and my arts, and who believed in me and my arts, and who care for me and my arts. So, yeah, it was all about it. And Kuchu Puchu, say thanks. So, yeah, I'll see you in the next video, and yes, I'll be uploading a video every weekend. So just stay connected and turn on your notifications, and you know what that means, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So yeah, and definitely please do share it with some vela log who can watch a video like this and have plenty of time. अपने दोस्त obviously या किसी को भी, and give it a thumbs up if you like it, or even if you don't, please do it. बहुत मेहनत लगी है यार, मुझे नहीं पता था इतनी मेहनत लगती है वीडियो बनाने में और एडिट करने में. And yes, the videographer was one and only Vidhu, मेरा भाई. Such a talented person. Well, yeah, चलो फिर next time मिलते हैं.